Today, I'm at the Central Texas RV Show, and I'm going to give you a tour of the brand new Awaken MorningStar Fiberglass RV. I'll start by showing you the outside, and then we'll go inside to see everything this RV has to offer. As we walk around the trailer, it looks like we have quite a bit of storage that's accessible from the exterior. So this would be under the twin bed. It doesn't look like there's any pass-through though. Got our power hookup here. We go into this compartment, we've got all of our controls for the water. Got your outdoor shower as well, and a pass-through. And here we've got our sewer and gray water connections. Got a spot in the back here for your sewer hose, built into the bumper. That's really nice. Nice fiberglass tire cover. Got a nice set of fold-up stairs. Nice big windows on this side too. Automatic awning. Power outlet here. More exterior storage. And this is also where your Battleborn batteries are going to be. Got your hookup for your solar. Although this does actually have rooftop solar as well. Alright, so let's go in and have a look at the inside. So the first thing, let's go straight to the kitchen area. What a beautiful kitchen, and I really like this giant window that you have in front of your sink and your stove. That way when you're cooking, you're going to be able to see outside. You've got a bottle washer here, a soap dispenser, you've got a waterfall cleaner, and that's a huge sink. That is just massive. And then we've got a 3-burner stovetop, and looks like we've got a convection microwave as well. Got all of our controls here. We can see we've got heaters for the freshwater tank, the black water tank, and the gray water tank, and our water pump, and we could also see the tank levels here. Nice convenient electrical outlet here for any of your appliances. Continuing along, we've got a convenient little storage area here, a little drawer for your utensils. If we look under, we've got a good amount of storage again. Probably want to put some sort of organizers or maybe even a shelf in there to maximize the space. Then we've got a nice big fridge, freezer on top, fridge on the bottom. Oh, that's a lot of space. And then up on top here we have storage, and these are nice solid wood. You can see inside goes nice and deep. Same over on this side. And let's pivot around now and have a look at this U-shaped dinette area. Really convenient. So you've got what looks like a nice leather or leatherette fabric on there. Nice tabletop. Plenty of spot for seating. And then we've got the adjustable table base as well, which of course you could make this into a bed. Now, you're probably either going to sleep 2 small children on here, or you could probably sleep 1 adult comfortably. And right above that, we have this nice big TV. Not exactly sure what size it is. Looks like it might be a 32-inch though. And then above that, of course, we have a ton more storage. And there's no dividers between this storage, but I do believe that you can order it with dividers if you wanted to. Although I kind of like the fact that it goes all the way through. It doesn't limit your ability for storing larger things. Alright, next, I think we'll have a look at my favorite part, which is the bedroom. And I have to say, this is unbelievable. I really, really like this. So you've got your nice 2 big twin beds here. And this room is so bright. You've got the 2 big windows on either side. You've got your big front window, and then you've got your skylight. So, I mean, hard to beat that. And the really cool thing about this is we can bring the screen down like that. That way you can have it open when the bugs are out. And if you're finding you want to cut out the light for the evening, you can also put the blinds up. That's a really neat setup. And that same thing applies to all of the windows. So same thing here. You've got the blinds, you've got the screen, and then all of these windows are pretty neat. So you just pull it in like this, pull it in like that. These all clip shut, just like that. Pretty simple. And then when you're ready to go to sleep at night, close that up, just like that. Awesome. And then you've got your lights next to the bed here on either side. I wonder if we have any outlets nearby. Yep, you've got an outlet on either side of the bed with a USB and a USB-C, so you can plug in your phones, your devices at night. Got this little nightstand, big deep drawer, and more storage here. And it's so deep. I mean, you could put a lot of stuff in here. So over on this side, we do have more storage. And you've got this little smaller area here as well with a little elastic. You have your ducted AC throughout, which is a really nice feature. You can kind of direct the cold where you want it. We've got a max air vent fan right in the bedroom area. And same thing, you can close it off at night with this little shield so that you don't get woken up in the morning. We look down here, got a nice second little cubby. Use it for all kinds of storage ideas. I'm sure everyone's going to think of very unique ways to do that. And we've got a nice big closet here as well. So this is a hanging closet, but I personally would probably put shelves in here as well. This could be a huge pantry, and this is really deep. This is as deep as my arm, so that's pretty awesome. All right, so next thing we should look at is the washroom, because this has a dry bath, which I think is pretty cool for a trailer of this size. Before we look at that, you've also got some hangers right at the door here, always very convenient. Hang your coats. Now let's have a look at this washroom. So first thing you have this nice big mirror on the wall. Everyone likes when there's a full-size mirror in their trailers. We look in here, got a spot to store towels, some hangers as well back here. You've got a nice porcelain toilet, spot for your toilet paper there. You've got a receptacle back here to plug in your shaver or other devices. You've got your big window back here. Got a nice accent light on the top. Nice mirror there. Nice big basin sink. And you still do have a lot of counter space here and around here. And some storage space under here. This is a little, not quite as deep as some of the other cupboards, but again, still some great space. And then we have this really great shower. Nice removable shower head. Got a seat in here. You've got your vent, soap holder, and just looking here, I am 5'9", and I have tons of space here. Probably be 6'2", and still have plenty of space for showering in here comfortably. If we look around at some of the other details, so we've got our awning controls up here, exterior lighting. We've got some lighting controls here as well. So lighting by zones. If we go ahead and turn some of those on, you'll see what some of that accent lighting looks like. So you can see some lighting above the shelves here. Kind of hard to tell right now because it's a bright day. But we've also got this nice little holder for keys and maybe hats. You've got a wireless phone charger right at the front here. That's really cool. Got another spot right at your doorway. Perfect for shoe storage. You could probably store 6 pairs of shoes in there. So that's pretty cool. And you've got your Truma heating system over here, and that's a vented heating system, and we can see some of those vents down here near the floor in the bedroom. Really like this kind of middle counter area too between the bedroom and the main dining room area. And I believe if we look at this TV, yes, we can pivot it back into the bedroom as well. Nice convenient pivot, so no matter where you are in the RV, you could be watching TV as well. Well, I have to say, I am really impressed with this new Awaken MorningStar RV. Really was excited to get to see one of these in person, so happy I got to tour it in real life. As always, if there's any questions that I wasn't able to answer in this video, please leave a comment below and I'll do my best to get back to you with some answers. Hope to see you in the next RV tour video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It really does help us out. And don't forget to come back tomorrow to see where we go next.